Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so I seen this posted at BoxyCharm sneak peek today on Instagram, and let me just say, now these spoilers are labeled July or future, so we're not exactly sure. So as soon as that's cleared up, I will show you, but we do have the LMS product. And if you guys will notice, this LMS product is actually in a picture with a BoxyLuxe box, so that could be what it means by a future spoiler. And we also get a better look at the Butter London palette. So it shows us the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask, the Avocado Melt Masks, and there are two other products right here. So we do know these are going to be coming in a future box. And again, like the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the Avocado Melt Mask were labeled that they were coming in July. So I'm hoping that's still what is coming. And then next, they said that there was going to be an LMS product in the July box. The LMS product that we have found, or at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek has found, is actually the Superfood Veggie Mask. Now this was shown on Joe's Instagram story, and it shows working on a new project. I'll show that to you right here. So I don't know if this is going to be the LMS product that's in the July box or future box or exactly what. And then the last thing we have is, of course, the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. This is an eyeshadow palette, and this palette is exclusive just for BoxyCharm, so you will not get it anywhere else other than there. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous palette, and I did get a lot of good comments on it, so I know it's going to be a really popular palette. But anyways guys, as soon as everything is cleared up and as soon as we get any more spoilers, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.